So you say knowledge. You know say hungry is an illusion. How are you going, brother?
Yes, man. Me have green skin here, so me have fire rocket.
Yes.
Me have number one. Me have the unknown. Crutch me throat so till he crutch me. Me have sour sap. Yo, people, listen to me, youth. In Jamaica, the largest set of mango in the whole Caribbean, me carry come, and guess what? We don't have a box drinks with mango juice. Me know the government love you, though.
Done.
Yeah, man, me know I love you, man.
It's the illusion with
Yeah,
them
man.
paint you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And no matter about hungry, since you know no rice and flour in your cage, you see all of the foreign turn over there, man. Now come, last time I do a video like this, one sensible one come and say, oh, you can your mango favor, more freeze if you're on this a season, you kill the season, come back. Me not talk near me. And you see, feel like man we chat about me, okay, catch diabetes. For the record, no. For the record, no. Sure, mango no give you diabetes, eh? You know what give you? White rice. So continue, dead start.
Yeah, man.
Yo, hold on, make a crawl over. Boy, yo, you know what I'm saying? This is not riches. Which one me